Hey guys, it's How to Tag Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to fix Roblox Client is not responding. Now this is a very common error, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that we want to do is open up the Task Manager, so go to Windows, right click it and open up Task Manager. Now once the Task Manager opens up, it's very important that you close all the Roblox running applications. Now type in Roblox, and as you can see there are no running in the background. If there is, simply right click it and from there press End Task. Now what we will do next is simply go down to the search bar, type in Roblox, and here you see the Roblox player. Right click it. Here we see the Roblox Studio. Open up a file location. It's very important that you just head to the file location of your Roblox. Simply right click the player, the Roblox player, show more options, and from here go to properties. Now once you're in properties, this is the wrong one, go to Studio, show more options, head to properties, and here once you're in the studio go to compatibility, and here run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, disable the full screen optimizations, run this program as an administrator and press apply. Now that should be it. Restart your computer and your error code would be fixed. Now if this tutorial helped you, leave a like, subscribe, but most importantly, thank you for watching.